Good morning, my dear viewers, and I would like to thank each one of us who is watching my video. And this is Syam Babu, completed MA English Literature, and I would like to thank each one of us who is subscribed my YouTube channel. Dear children, my English grammar classes starting to ending. Please watch my videos and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Today the topic is the right verb forms. Right verb forms. It was very utilizing and useful to who is studying the 10th class children and intermediate and TET and DSC, and also the who is preparing competitive examination holders also. It was very useful to get that, get the good marks in that right verb forms. Okay, my dear children, before going to the topic, the right verb forms, I want to give the clarification for the 12 tenses. Okay, my dear children, right. Dear children, first, how many you have the tenses? You have the 12 tenses. Okay, you have a 12 tenses. What is that? The simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Likewise, the simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. And now, simple future tense, future continuous tense, and future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Dear children, please observe, in these 12 tenses, we have only for 8 tenses it is possible to change active voice into passive voice. Okay, my dear children, it is possible changing to active voice into passive voice. Okay. What is that? What is that? Simple present tense it is possible to change. Simple past tense it is possible to change. And simple future tense it is possible to change passive voice. And now, present continuous tense it is possible. Past continuous it is possible. And future continuous tense it is not possible to change passive voice. Okay, my dear children, please observe. And present perfect tense it is possible to change into passive voice, and past perfect tense it is possible to change, and now a future perfect tense it is possible to change. And now remaining 3, present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, and future perfect continuous tense it is not possible to change into active voice and passive voice. Dear children, please observe, it was very important. It was very important, and please by heart the 12 tenses. In these 12 tenses, we have only useful to change active voice into passive voice only 8 tenses. Okay, my dear children. Now. Okay, today the topic is right verb forms. Right verb forms. In that right verb forms, already I told the simple present tense, simple future tense, simple perfect tense, present continuous tense. Likewise, only already I explained in this previous videos. Please watch in my previous videos. And today the simple past tense. Yesterday, 10th class boys, the phone called me. So please explain the simple past tense. Like was only he was asked me. So today, like that's why I take that the simple past tense. Dear children, first you have to by heart the structures. The structures was very important. In this, the 8 tenses structures, please by heart and remember. Okay, my dear children, it was very important. The structure was very important. Okay, here the simple past tense, what is the structure? Subject plus V2 plus object. What is the simple past tense structure? Subject plus V2 plus object. Likewise, as per the structure, we have to do the answers. Okay. Now, what is simple past tense structures? First, you have to by heart the keywords. Okay, by heart the keywords. Simple past tense. What we are calling the simple past tense means all completed actions. Okay, my dear children, it is all completed actions. That is we are calling the simple past tense. Okay. First, okay, keywords. Now, you can see the keywords. What we have the keywords here? Yesterday, last week, last month, last year, ago, once upon a time, in those days, one day, then, past point of time, for example 1945 and 1947, likewise, past point of time, in olden days, in early days, in my childhood, it's time. Okay, this is the simple past tense keywords. Simple past tense keywords. Now shall we go for examples, my dear children? Okay. First, he does, in the bracket, pass his examination in 2013. In 2013. Dear children, in that right verb forms, you have a keywords. That's why before telling that in the English grammar, in the right verb forms, is that 8 tenses structures should be by heart. When you the by heart the 8 tenses structures, it was very easy to write. Okay, my dear children, you have a keywords. See, he does pass in the bracket pass his examination in 2013. In this sentence, do you have any keyword? Just please observe first. Do you have any keyword? Yes, in 2013. That is, we are calling the past point of time. In 2013. In this 2013, it is the past point of time. Immediately you have to remind, it is, we are calling the simple past tense. Simple past tense. And when we remember that 2013, the past point of time, immediately I have to go for thinking for simple past tense. Immediately I have to know that the structure. What is the simple past tense structure? Subject plus V2 plus object. As per the structure, you have to go for answer. Okay. Subject plus V2 plus object. He does pass his examination in 2013. He passed. As per the structure, what is the V2 for pass? Passed. Okay? Here, what is the answer? He is the subject. What is the V2 here? Here, passed. The answer is passed. The answer. He passed his examination in 2013. Why? Because as per the structure, we are writing here the answer. That is the main important. That's why I told from the beginning we have to by heart and structures. Okay, tenses and structures was very important. Okay, shall we go for next one? Shall we go for next one, my dear children? Yes. He does visit Delhi last month. He does visit Delhi last month. Dear children, do you have any keywords here? In every sentence you have a keywords. Every sentence you have keywords. In the second sentence, do you have any keyword? Yes, last month. Last month. Last we have a keyword here. Last week, last month, and last year. We have a keyword. Last month. So this is the simple past tense. So immediately you have to remember the simple past tense structure: subject plus V2 plus object. As per the structure, you have to write here the answer. Okay. He does. It is the subject. Visit. What is the visit? V2 visited. Okay. Visited. That is the answer. The simplified. That is the answer. It was very easy to write. If you know the structure, it is easy to write. He visited Delhi last month. Okay. Shall we go for next one? Yes. Raju does meet his friend yesterday. In this sentence, do you have any keyword? Do you have any keyword this? Yes. Yesterday. 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 Keywords yesterday. So that's why. So why? Because when we have a yesterday, last week, last week ago, once upon a time. So likewise we have a keywords. It is we are calling the simple past tense. Simple past tense. Okay. What is that? Meet. What is the V2? Meet, met, met. Meet, met, met. Why? Because as per the structure. Meet, met, met. So what is the answer here? Met. Raju met his friend yesterday. My dear children, so did you understand what I am telling? Okay. Shall we go for fourth one? Yes. It's 10 o'clock. It's a time you dash go to bed. Go to bed. It's 10 o'clock. It's time you dash go to bed. Do you have any keyword here? Yes. It's time. It's time here. The keyword. It's time. It's time. That is the keyword. So when we have it's time, that is the simple past tense in the title form. Simple past tense. So what is simple past tense? Structure: subject plus V2 plus object. Subject plus V2 plus object. Okay. Go, went, gone. What is the V2 for go? What is the V2 for go? Went. You went. Okay? It's 10 o'clock. It's the time you went to bed. That is the answer. So why? Because as per the structure. Go, went, gone. Okay? Went, that is the V2. Gone, that is the V3. Okay, my dear children. Okay, next, fifth one. I guess seen the film 2 years ago. 2 years. In every sentence, you have a keywords. First, we have observe. I have observed the keywords. In this sentence, do you have any keywords here? Ago. Do you have any keywords? Ago. Here. Ago. So, this is we are calling a simple past tense. Immediately after remember the simple past tense is structure. Subject plus V2 plus object. Okay. Here, I did the subject. And see what do we do? Saw. See? Saw. See. Okay, what do we do? See? Saw. I saw the film 2 years ago. Dear children, likewise your observe that right form. So if you write the correct answers, first you need to understand the 8 tenses, the structures. So please observe 8 tenses, rules and regulations, structures. Please by heart, and keywords also have to by heart every tenses, 8 tenses, keywords and structures. Please by heart. If you know that 80 tenses, keywords and structures. It was easy to write that answers. Okay. Thank you, my dear children. Thank you for watching my English grammar. So please watch starting to and ending and learn that English grammar. Thank you very much and see you tomorrow with the next topic. And please subscribe my YouTube channel and press that bell. Thank you very much.